Observed natural selection does not confirm naturalistic universal common descent. One of the core claims of naturalistic evolution is naturalistic universal common descent. According to this claim, all of life originated by random variations and natural selection from a single common ancestor. However, this claim has been falsified by scientific evidence. For instance, evolution believers claim that observed natural selection confirms naturalistic universal common descent. Details. Observation. Natural selection has been observed to change some features of species, such as beak sizes in finches. Claim 1. This is claimed to be proof of naturalistic universal common descent, NUCD, by a mechanism of natural selection operating on undirected random mutations. Observation. Natural selection has been observed to make very minor changes in species, e.g. beak size changes in finches in response to a drought. And these changes are cyclic and not directional, i.e., the beak sizes grow larger with a drought and become smaller when the drought ends. So, there is no systematic directional selection on a large scale, as would be needed for NUCD to be true. In addition, no major new organs or organ systems are ever observed to form via natural selection. Observation. A variation in beak sizes of finches cannot explain where birds, with all of their complex features, came from in the first place. And there is no compelling reason to conclude, necessarily, that the same mechanism that creates minor changes such as beak size changes in finches can then create major changes like create all of the phyla and completely different body plans in the biosphere. Conclusion. So these observations contradict the claim that natural selection proves NUCD. Observation. Natural selection is observed to occur within very strict limits of morphological plasticity of the creatures in practice. Conclusion. This falsifies NUCD, which expects infinite plasticity of creatures in response to natural selection. Conclusion. 1. Natural selection does not confirm naturalistic universal common descent, NUCD. 2. The strict limits observed in natural selection actually contradict NUCD and therefore falsify it. 3. And by doing so, these limits falsify naturalistic mega-evolution. Note: naturalistic mega-evolution is the claim of naturalistic single-cell to human evolution, without intelligent design permitted anywhere in the process. This includes the naturalistic formation of completely new body plans and completely new higher taxa such as phyla, classes, and orders. Naturalistic mega-evolution has been falsified by the scientific evidence, as we will continue to see in this series of videos. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.